You're not gonna believe this, but there's a secret YouTube channel out there making 6 millions just by watching movies and talking about them. I'm serious, no face reveals, just doing reviews on movies that you've already watched. That's right, the channel's named Mystery Recapped. And get this, they've hit over 1.7 billion views and made at least $6 million just by doing simple movie reviews of our favorite movies. Crazy, right? But stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how they did it. And the best part, I'll show you how you can use these same strategies to potentially earn $10,000 or more every single month. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to creating your own movie recap channel that could blow up just like Mystery Recapped. So make sure you're taking notes and watch this video till the very end to know the step-by-step approach and how to make a similar channel like this which gets millions of views. I'm also going to share the title secret of this channel which they're using to get millions of views every single month. As you can see in the About section of this channel, they've racked up over 1.7 billion views, and if we calculate the earnings as $4 for every 1,000 views, they must have made at least $6 million. It's insane. But here's the thing, I'm not just here to make you jealous. I want to show you how to get it yourself. We're gonna break down every single step to starting your own channel like this. And the best part, I'll show you how to outsource most of the work. That means you could be uploading videos and making money from day one without being glued to your computer 24/7. Alright, let's kick things off with step 1. Getting your channel monetized immediately. Trust me, this is crucial. You don't want to be that person who's cranking out videos for months, maybe even years, and missing out on some serious cash. So imagine this, you've put out 30 videos in 2 months, and boom, 10 of them go viral. We're talking 2 million views. Awesome, right? But if your channel isn't monetized, you've just kissed goodbye to about $8,000. Yep, you heard that right. Because the movie Nick pays you about $4 every 1,000 views. So for 2 million views, it would be $8,000. Now, I'll be honest with you. Getting monetized in the movie review niche can be a bit of a pain. That's why a lot of folks start with what's called a pre-monetized channel. Remember, the sooner you get monetized, the sooner you start seeing the AdSense money rolling in. So don't sleep on this step. Now that we've got the money side sorted, let's talk about content. You need to pick movies which have a great story and can interest your viewers. So, how do we do this? Well, I've got 2 killer strategies for you. First is to research popular movies on Netflix and Amazon Prime which have a great story. Watch them, soak them in, and then put your own spin on the plot when you're writing your script. This is exactly what Mystery Recap does. And the second approach is to go on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork and search for movie recap script writers. You'll find a ton of talented folks who can whip up an awesome script for you. And get this, we're talking just $5 to $10 per movie. I think it's pretty affordable too. Remember, whether you're writing it yourself or outsourcing, the key is to make these movie recaps your own. Add your flavor, your style. That's what'll keep viewers coming back for more. Let's move on to step 3, that voiceover. A great voiceover keeps your audience hooked. First and the best one is to just use your own voice to record your own script. If you think you have a great voice, then this is the perfect option. The second is to hire voiceover artists from Fiverr and Upwork. So to do that, go to Fiverr and type voiceover artists. You can also filter the results by your budget. So say your budget is $10, you can put $5 to $10 here and filter it that way. And you'll see many freelancers with a great voice who are willing to give you their voice for your videos for just $10 for a full video. Now the third option is to use something like text-to-speech from websites like play.ht. I think this has one of the most realistic human voiceover that I cannot identify if it's human or AI. But want to give it a shot? You can try play.ht for free. You might just be surprised at how good it sounds. Okay, so now we've got a movie recaps channel, the scripts, the voiceover, and the only thing left is the video editing. First one is to do it yourself by watching the movie and then downloading it and editing it along with the script you made in the first step. This will take some time to do and require some good editing skills and need some practice to sync the voiceover of the script along with the video scenes. Also, the video footage should be less than 7 seconds to be safe from any copyright problems. To be on the safe side, I would advise to not use a movie clip of more than 5 seconds. Okay, so now that our video is also ready, the final step is to write an engaging title, which generates curiosity in the mind of a viewer. Let me give you a real-world example. Let's take a perfect example from the Mystery Recap channel. Let's filter their channel by the most popular. As you can see, it's got over 18 million views. And the title? Real Story. 6-year-old boy fought in battles becoming the youngest soldier of World War II. See what they did there? So you see in the description the name of the movie is Soldier Boy. They didn't just go with Soldier Boy movie review. Snooze fest, right? Instead, they hit you with a title that makes you go, wait, what? A 6-year-old soldier? I gotta see this. That's the secret sauce, guys. Your title needs to spark curiosity. It needs to make people stop scrolling and think, okay, now this I've got to check out. So when you're crafting your titles, think about what would make you click if you saw it in your feed. Maybe it's a shocking twist, an unbelievable fact, or a question that begs to be answered. A good click-through rate and retention equals viral video. And yeah, that's it. This is the real formula of a viral video. There you have it. We've just unpacked the secret recipe behind Mystery Recap's $6 million success story. And guess what? You've got all the ingredients right in front of you. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This sounds great, but can I really do it? Let me tell you something. Absolutely you can. The only difference between you and the YouTubers making bank right now is that they took action. So here's my challenge to you. Don't be part of the 99% who watch videos like this and then do absolutely nothing. You've got the blueprint now. It's time to roll up your sleeves and start building your own faceless YouTube channel. It's time to start digging before you go. If this video lit a fire under you, smash that like button. And hey, while you're at it, hit subscribe and turn on those notifications. Thank you so much.